Another little tip for you Meridian owners, Meridian 341 owners, I guess all the Meridian yachts of the 2006 era. It came with this Sirius remote control for the Sirius XM radio, and when I purchased the boat, the display was not working. The buttons appeared to be working. You could change the station and the volume control, but the display wasn't working. So I just wrote it off as being one of those items that failed over the years. But what I discovered while I was poking around in these panels, on the back side, you see this wire coming down, and it goes to a connector right here. All this is an inline connector, and it's very easily just pulled apart. You can see it's got a bunch of contacts in there. So I pulled it apart and I put it back together, and I discovered that the display started working after I did that. So if you're having a similar problem like this, you might want to give that a shot. It worked on both my bridge control for the radio, remote control for the radio, and also this one here in the salon. They both have this little connector here, and it must have had just some corrosion over the years, and just pulling that connector apart and putting it back together fixed that issue on both of the remotes. So it was like a free fix. I thought I was going to have to buy a whole new stereo remote system, but that was on a last priority of the list. So just give that a shot if you have the problem. Maybe spray some protectant spray, anti-rust inhibitor and all in that. But all I did was pull it apart and put it back together, and it's been working now for over a year that I did that. But since I had this panel open, I figured I'd give you guys this little tip.